Hi, today I'm talk about procrastination. You are not a procrastinator. You are having the habit of procrastination. Some people spend so much time in procrastinating that they are unable to complete important daily tasks. If we want something to do in our life, we all need motivation for doing some kinds of stuff. But actually, if you get stuff done, the motivation naturally follows. But actually, what happens is we use the word motivation for escaping from the work we planned to do for ourselves. Now, you understand where is the problem. It's not about doing the work, it's about starting the work. We are struggling to start a new work or new habit or new kind of new activities. We need to force ourselves to do things we want. Okay, now how to stop procrastination in your daily life? Make a to-do list. First, we have to decide what we are going to do in a day. Write down the important task you need to accomplish tomorrow and don't write too many tasks. Just write at least 5 tasks and prioritize those tasks according to your perceptions because you know which task is more important to you. Prioritize in order and start your day with the first task you decided to do. And another important thing is work until the first task is finished before moving on to the second task. Let the moment of the first task carry you to the next one and follow the same method for the rest of your list. Try to make a to-do list for every day. It will help you to avoid procrastination in your daily life. And another tip is set a deadline. Everyone has a short term and long term goals in their life, right? Some of you will be like, you have your work to do, but you can't be able to do that work because of procrastination. While it is easy to find reasons not to study and take unnecessary and extra long breaks, and you simply postpone the work to next day or eventually. If you keep waiting for the perfect time and date for doing something, you're never going to accomplish anything. But in truth, that perfect time never comes. So catch yourself before this kind of stuff happens. And the problem is you can't push yourself to do that stuff. So set a specific date for when you want your project or assignments to be completed and aim to have your projects and assignments completed 1 or 2 days in advance. And start a habit of 2 minute rules. 2 minute rule is nothing but you have to finish the work within 2 minutes. Some people would say it's 5 minutes rule or 10 minutes rule. Whatever the timing is, it does not matter. We have to finish the work within time. Imagine if you're sitting in a same place and thinking about how to stop procrastination by thinking about that helps you to stop. No, it's a waste of time, right? You have to take action instead of thinking. You have to break the laziness that you carry with you every minute. Now, how this 2 minute rule helps you? I will share one example for you. You plan to send an email to your friend for the past few days, but you could not make it. Here, what do? Is you have to apply 2 minutes rule in your daily life. First, you should take action and try to finish that work or task within 2 minutes. Once you finish your first task, you feel like you have successfully done your first task, and this will lead you to another task, and your day will be more productive. And that's all about procrastination. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video till now. See you in the next video. Bye.